Hello, I'm Junk for You, and this is a video I'm making specifically for Coco Smackdown. The reason is because in an episode a little while ago during the dual commentary, you were talking about using Industrial Craft in a multiplayer server. So I thought I'd make a map for you. I had some of this already built, so I just added on to it, and I think you might like it. It's pretty cool. To start, there's just a strip mine I have going down here a little bit. Pretty simple. Go mine resources. But what's cool is I have a minecart system for storage. So you mine, you come back, put your resources in the cart. This one's marked number 3. If you push that off, it will come down with cart number 4. It takes a few moments, so I'll probably cut this out and I'll just go mine a few resources right now. Okay, while I wait for that to come back down, I'll mention a neat little minecart system I have where it's a continuous loop sending minecarts back and forth up and down the mine shaft. So I use that as a quick way to get up and down. See, like this one will come here, go push that one up the hill, and it'll come down and take its place. It does the same thing on the top. Okay, so our cart has come back, and this one should be number 4. Yes. So we put some resources in here, like copper and gold, and if I push this one along, it'll come back down with number 5. I need a piece of coal. Give me a moment. Creepy noises. It knows I'm cheating. You didn't see anything. So I'll just wait here for the cart to come back down and push me up. There is one slight problem with this, is if you shut off a server, or specifically if you quit your game and the minecart's somewhere along the middle of the track, it might stop and roll back down, which might kind of quote-unquote break it. So you'd have to go and reset it. So up here, just go down to the second floor of the minecart system. If I get over here quick enough, you see when the carts come up, it sends the one cart upstairs, and the powered minecart comes down here and searches for the first available minecart, and that'd be number 5. So if I go back upstairs, you should see number 4 has just come in with my resources. Cool beans. It does have a built-in redundancy that if all stations are filled, it will come up the stairs and go sit over there and wait for the carts to be pushed back down, and then you just push it back down the little ramp there. So now you have your resources. Okay, well, across the street here we have macerator and smelting room. So inside are basically just a wall with some macerators. Put them in there right now, and they'll grind it up. And over here are some electric furnaces to smelt those bars once they're done. And on the back side, past this farm I have built here, farms all 3 farmable resources. To the back side are some compressors, extractors. There's also a canning machine and a bunch of recyclers. Now these all get power from a solar panel array. Oh, come on. There we go. Solar panel array that I put on the roof. They store up energy and send it down to those machines in both buildings. Because those machines don't require very much power, a solar array works quite well. So check. See, now those are done. You put it in the electric furnace to turn into gold bars. Okay. The next room over here is the charging station. Now it's a series of MFE transmitters and crystal chargers. Each one of these is filled to capacity currently, but if you need to charge anything like a power tool, a drill, um, or a battery, you simply just put it into the top slot and it immediately charges it. If you have a crystal, you just put in the crystal charger. Now, these things require way too much power to simply use a solar panel array. They would take way too many solar powers, so I actually built a power plant for that. It's across the street. It's a nuclear power plant. Caution. Now, I had to use nuclear power plants because they're the only things powerful enough to give off that much electricity. And just so we don't waste the fuel rods, I've actually put in a little chart. Shows each fuel rod is 40,000 energy units. And when you recharge something like a battery, a mining drill, a chainsaw, it's worth 10,000 energy units. So recharge 10 batteries, you would just come in here, take one fuel rod, and pop it in one of these nuclear reactors. An energy crystal is actually 40,000 EUs, and those battery packs, this thing right here, is worth 60,000. So you put in the proper amount of fuel rods for however much stuff you charged in the charging station. And I've also listed that the total system can hold 6 million energy units. So that's most of the industrial craft stuff done with. For here I just have a warehouse with a bunch of, well, some supplies and equipment. I'll leave that in there for you. And last but not least is over here, my house. Once we go in, there's a nice little fireplace, furnace, crafting bench, some chests. And the one thing I didn't mention is that in each of these rooms they have electric lighting. And in each room, basically they just have a MFE transmitter here that's been fully charged, and it slowly drains energy powering the lights. So eventually you'll just have to come here and put in batteries to recharge that meter. So go upstairs, there's some bunk beds, some chests, and more chests up the ladder here. So that's pretty much everything in the map. Maybe let me know what you think of it. So, thank you for watching. Have a good one.